Today in this video, we are going to learn new sound, that is CH sound word. It is also called digraph, which means two letters together make one sound, CH words. As you know, C says k and H says h. But when you see CH together, you have to remember that it makes one sound. The sound is ch. The sound is ch. So let's read with me few words starting with CH. So here the first word is yes, chips. CHIPS, chips. And the next one is child. CHILD, child. You are also a child. Next is chin. CHIN, chin. You all have chin, dimple chin. CHIN, chin. And the next is chat. CHAT, chat. And the next word is chess. CHESS, chess. It is a indoor game. And you have to revise this same word from your English book. Bye bye. See you in the next video.